you only get true potential into reality when people are inspired and motivated. And I think there's a lot of people in today's workplaces that don't really feel valued. And I think there's a disconnect sometimes between management who think they're not interested. And sometimes they're not. You know, this isn't a kind of scenario where everything works out. But I think there's huge benefit in spending time genuinely understanding why somebody is the way they are. Because there's often good reasons. I don't believe anybody wakes up in the morning, goes to work wanting to do a crap job. I really don't believe that exists. But I think that first stage really has to be to kind of understand what you're dealing with. And you only do that by really listening. So again, I know it's kind of an overused word these days, but maybe that's because we don't do it very well. And I think we really do have to listen to understand as well. It's not just about this listening to reply, but we really need to understand who we're working with. I think becoming a great listener is all about being able to cope with the kind of uncomfortable silences and not speak, not jump in. I think being a great listener is something that comes over time. I think being a great listener as well is always about challenging yourself and reviewing yourself and asking for feedback, because I don't think there are many great listeners out there. But I think the ones that really do become successful in inspiring and motivating are the ones who gain the real trust and support of their people. And I think you only get that if they think you know and understand them, which is that whole empathy thing again, I guess. You know, this is a journey of discovery, this is hard, this is about continual learning. And I think if you go down that route and you kind of source the right advice and you're open to different people's ideas, then I'd kind of keep it really simple, and I'd say it's all about trying to develop a better sense of people.